Good morning and welcome. Here we are, the 1st of the 1st, 2022. I'm here back to do the daily reading. Trust you all had a wonderful Christmas, celebrated the coming of the new year, exciting new year ahead. Today I'm doing the daily general reading and I'm using a brand new set of cards, Gateway of Light Activation Oracle. Felt very appropriate to start with these new cards for the beginning of the new year. So we'll just see what the cards have to offer us. Okay, first card up. Akashic Records, clearing old stories, releasing past lives, freedom. Okay. Next card up. Arturian Light Codes. Evolutionary downloads, recalling power, future thinking. All pretty appropriate for the beginning of a new year so far. Next card up. Anunnaki Light Codes, energetic shift, new information, end of cycles. And the last card, the Earth Star, anchoring, grounded action, and Isis energy. Okay, so we'll just see what they're offering us. I'm using my lovely board that my beautiful daughter and her husband made for me for Christmas. And I've got the lovely Buddha that my grandson gave me. So that's really, really nice bringing that energy in. Okay, so let's just see what the cards have to offer us today. At the moment, you're letting go of and clearing old stories, could be past life energies, releasing old fears and soul-based memories, and just letting go of all of that so that you can move forward. You're clearing anything that doesn't serve you anymore. You're leaving, it's like we're leaving that past year all behind. It's really quite appropriate. We're moving, shifting energy from where we were last year. The energy's really starting to shift. There's a few planets that are retrograde, so that the energy will be shifting towards the end of the month, but it started its shift now and you'll actually feel the momentum. So it's really important to clear any fears of moving forward, fears of the new. You'll start to look at life in a whole new way and actually live your life in a whole new way. You're actually evolving and recalling your power. You're connecting with the Arturian light codes. You're downloading this new energy. You're becoming lighter, and the Arturians are with you. If you're sensing being visited in your sleep of a night, then that's a signal that you're being downloaded from the heavens. So the Arturians are here assisting, ask them for their help. And they're here to help you see and live life in a whole different way. You're also receiving the Anunnaki light codes. They're available for you to download at the moment, and this is great change coming with a shift in perception. You need to shift your perception of life to move on to this whole new life. It's a whole new change, and we're going to see things differently. Our lives, we're going to be living in a totally different way to how we've lived it before. We're recognising a difference in the way we see things and feel things. So be open. Be open to receiving these light codes. Be open to moving on to the new, to not being frightened of finding new ways of doing things and releasing the old. It's a whole new change, and you're able to bring in this lovely new energy. This you're a lot more powerful, but you're coming from a greater space of love. You're going to find a more loving way, a much more stronger and more loving way to deal with things. The chaos will still be going on all around us, but we'll be a lot more grounded and able to cope with things. Instead of getting caught in the chaos, we'll stand grounded and calm and look at things in a different way, in a more loving way, and realise that we can cope with whatever's going on around us, and that there's always something, some gift in whatever happens. It might be obscure at the time, but we'll realise a little bit later that something that's happening or happened that at the time seems to us quite concerning and worrying, there's actually a gift hidden within that. We're going to learn or discover things that are going to really assist us along our way. So there's going to be a lot of revelations. There's going to be a rediscovery of magic while staying grounded, and a rediscovery of yourself. You're very grounded to the earth, but you're also able to be open and receiving this magic that's flowing towards you. And you're standing strong and just absorbing, integrating, and there's a great deal of wisdom. There's something going to be uncovered that's going to be really beneficial to you. So now's not the time to actually jump in. Now's the time to integrate, assess, and wait for this great gift of wisdom to be opened up to you, this new knowledge about the situation, a new understanding of what's going on. And it's like a pregnant pause at the moment. It's a time to rest and absorb and integrate things, because there's big changes coming. You'll feel the energy shifting within you, but it's now time to trust, be preparing for new ways, be open, and be strong, and just wait for this disclosure to happen so that you can use this information for your own highest good and for the highest good of others, and you'll be able to move very powerfully and lovingly forward then. So you'll be living your life in a whole different way. Okay, we'll just do the little moon card. See what affirmation it brings us today. See what little affirmation it brings. Okay, looks like this is the one. There we go. That's the card, and it says, I accept and create more flow and pleasure in my life. I accept and create more pleasure, more flow and pleasure in my life. That's pretty appropriate. Pop that one up there. I have some other new little cards too. I have the Blessed by the Goddess little daily messages. I'm just going to draw one of those. I also have Tony Carmen Solero's Eternal Light small cards as well. So we'll just draw one of each of those. Firstly, I'm going to do the Blessed by the Goddess. Give them a little shuffle. This is where we need to stop. That's the cards. Sophia. The Greek goddess Sophia offers the love of experience that brings insight and capability. She says how to become a sage presence, one that guides through inspired example. You are blessed with this combination of belief and wisdom. That also really fits with the cards that were drawn today. And now we will do the Eternal Light card and see what that has to offer. These are the Eternal Light cards. Just do a little shuffle here. See what it brings us. There we go. Whichever one. Okay. This also was very appropriate. Renewed purpose. A kind gesture from a surprising source restores your faith in humanity. This rekindles a flame of excitement, creativity and joy. Flame of excitement, creativity and joy surface as you experience a sense of oneness and interconnectedness with all of life. With this comes a revitalized sense of intention and inspiration. That also fits with the cards this morning. Okay, so that's about it for now. I hope that it's clear, it's recording clearly. I hope you like my beautiful backing board that my daughter and son-in-law made me, and the lovely Buddha. I hope you like the, let me know if you like the setup now and if you like these new cards. I feel the reading was really quite spot on and how I'm feeling the energy at the moment. So hopefully it resonates with you as well. Have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing. It's pouring with rain here. You can probably hear the rain. Good time, though, to relax, recover from the New Year's celebrations, integrate the information that's being downloaded to you, and just have a most joyful day. It feels really exciting, the beginning of this new year. And if I get time, I'll do a video on the energies at the moment, maybe this afternoon if time permits, because it's important. The energies are really quite powerful at the moment and there's a lot going on, but I'll just have to see if if I can find the quiet space and time to record this video for you. If not, I'll do it within the next couple of days. Hope you enjoyed this reading. All the best for this wonderful, wonderful new year. That's it for now. I'll be back again tomorrow morning. Great to be back with all you beautiful souls. I hope you enjoyed the reading and the new cards. Just let me know. I've got a couple of sets of new cards that felt appropriate to integrate some new cards into the readings. Yep, if you enjoyed it, please give it the thumbs up, subscribe and share online, and if you want to be notified, down below hit the bell for being notified about any videos that are recorded. Okay, have a wonderful, wonderful day, whatever you do. Love and blessings, Kath. Bye for now.